how to create Paysafecard account. So if you want to create a Paysafecard account, then first you need to open up your browser. Go with search and search for Paysafecard and just go with the browser, which is www.paysafecard.com. Go with the website. And once you're under the website of Paysafe, you just need simply go with Signup, which is on the top right, and it will take you to the register page. So you need to simply select your country or your region, scroll down and then select. Once you've selected, go with continue and create your login details. So enter your email address and then your password. Once you've created, now you just need to simply click on the box, which is right here on the bottom, and then go with continue. And you need to verify your email address. So you just need to simply open up your mail that you've just added, and here you will have the email address. So you just need to simply click on confirm email, and your email address has been verified. Right now you need to go back to the tab and go with continue. And once you're verified, now you need to enter your personal details like your first name and your last name and your date of birth. Just enter your date of birth and go with continue again. And now you need to enter your address or your country of residence. So enter your street, house number, postcode, and city, and click on continue. And now the last step is to enter your mobile number. So just go with your country code and enter your mobile number and click on continue. Once you click on continue, then you will get the verification code to the mobile number just you've entered. And once you enter the verification code, then your mobile number will also be verified and your account will be created. So that's how you can create your Paysafecard account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.